Assalamu alaikum guys, here is Rizwana and today we are going to learn how to pronounce E sound. This is the second video of phonics. First of all, if you are new to my channel, subscribe to it, press the bell icon and click on all option so that all my new videos may come to you. So let's start today's video. How to pronounce E sound. The short vowel sound of the letter E is a relatively relaxed vowel sound. It is generally pronounced by the middle of the tongue when rounded slightly upward, and the sides of the tongue may lightly touch the top and bottom side teeth. Here, the lips and jaw are loose and relaxed. The letter E is pronounced in some ways using its short vowel sounds and long vowel sounds. Short vowel sound E, for example, set. The short vowel sound of the letter E sounds like as in words like X, check, 10, bet, men, etc. Here are some frequently used words with short E sound. Get, help, tell, and men, left, next, egg, red, best, 10, less, yet, yes, kept, 7. Long vowel sound E, for example, in seat. The long vowel sound of the word sound is pronounced like E or E. As in words like eat, we, and meat, teeth, feet, etc. Some common words with this sound are he, we, be, maybe, she, see, three, seem, feet, seen, feel, street, green, weak, deep, free. Schwa sounds. Besides the basic sounds, any vowel letter can use the schwa sounds. This happens in weak, unstressed syllables. Here are some words of schwa sounds in which the E is in the unstressed syllable and has the schwa sound. For example, in item, college, faces, escape, define. Silent E. The letter E is usually silent when it is at the end of a word, as in safe, silent. E can also be found in the middle of a word when it is in a compound such as safeguard, safe plus guard, or when suffixes are added as in safely. Now guys, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, subscribe to it, share my video, like it, and also comment. See you in the next video. Hopefully you have enjoyed and learned the phonic sound of letter E. Thanks for watching.